Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. You'll see in the photos the boat has the platinum gray hull sides. Also outfitted it with the white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Boat does come with a galvanized trailer with swing tongue. For power, we've upgraded the engine to the 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. This does have the aft seating package, gives you the 2 jump seats, transom with backrests. Remove those backrests, you're going to have rod holders on each side. Plenty of room in the cockpit of the boat. You do have a 4-position helm seat here, which gives you a forward-facing seat, leaning post, or aft-facing seat. Underneath the helm seat is a live well option. The black bimini top. Moving up to the helm, you've got your Simrad GPS fish finder, Bluetooth JL audio system with 4 JL speakers. Moving up towards the bow of the boat, it does have the fishing package, which is going to give you your carry-on, carry-off cooler, backrest with 4 rod holders, tackle storage on the side of the console, and compass up on top of the helm. You have a nice big bow cushion in the bow of the boat. You have a fish box here, anchor storage, trolling motor panel, and this boat is outfitted with the teak package, which gives you the teak inlays on the gunnel as well as on the swim platform. That's a real quick look at the 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.